upscale. I mean, we're talking like Baton Rouge.
Right. You have to travel.
Downtown. You have to travel. And those places are really nice and they are upscale because of where they are. So Lake Charles just hasn't made that like accommodation yet. So this is really going to.
And as we said, it's a wine bar. So if you're a wine connoisseur, you're going to love this place.
And they do have hard liquor.
You can vouch for that, Lana?
I can.
Okay. Alana, our late
Like
night.
Ciroc.
Our late night expert. I'm going to say that.
Patron.
All the favorites.
Duh.
2 levels though, and just the design. I mean, again, I'm walking through it in my mind right now, and I don't want to explain too much. Most people would go ahead and just go all out and explain all the details. I want you to wait, and I want you to be able to go see it. I think it's a cool surprise. There's so many elements. He was explaining the process to getting the building complete, and it was like little surprises along the way. Every time they would take down this wall, which people had put up just to, about the 60s, 70s, 80s. They just put stuff up to cover up other stuff. Well, as you peel that back and you get to see truly what the building looks like, there's certain parts of it that you realize, no, this is perfect. Like, stop.
These buildings are like almost 100 years old.
These are all old buildings, very old.
We're talking about like historical buildings. So I can only imagine like the history.
We're talking about this a little more next show.
For sure.
Cool. All right, here it is, getting back to some music for you. Looking forward to Heist. Thanks so much to Ron Valier and Jack Davis. Much appreciated. Lana,
much appreciated.
You excited? You looking forward to this?
I really am excited. It's gonna be my new spot when I'm feeling pinkies out classy.
When you walk down Rhine Street and you look in the window of Heist,
oh my gosh,
Lana will be sitting over at the bar up there. See it now.
It's in walking distance of Dharma.
Right. LA on Air, Bray J Lana here with you. Back to the music. Here it is. It's Nights and Nights out of Lafayette with Drive Me Crazy, right here on LA on Air.
underneath the street, 'cause I'm no front runner, and I'm falling behind. And I tried to stop and catch my breath, but I got pushed aside. Jokes on me, and I heard it while I was asleep. I've been sleep running, I'm running all the time. And I just wanna run my life on the side. Attend to it at my free time. Attend to it. Hide and seek. It isn't fun when they're chasing me like I'm some front runner. Not this time. I'm just an underdog kid running from behind. Caged and free. It's like a bullet straight to my knees. I'm slow and I'm steady. I can't move 'cause I'm not ready. And I can't hear anything without forgetting. And I wanna tend to it at my free time. Attend to it. I shot just below expectations. And I die a death by information. I could do something like a vacation. I'm in craving, less hesitation. My feet are buried down beneath the street, 'cause I'm no front runner. Yeah, I'm falling behind. And I just wanna run my life on the side.
That was Nights and Nights with Drive Me Crazy, followed by our good friends, the Squirt Gun Warriors, with Runner out of Baton Rouge, right here on LA On Air. Bray J Lana here with you. We're on Facebook right now looking at the Sandbar Shreveport. Got to check it out. You okay, Lana?
They have $10 all you can drink Tuesday and Thursday. You can pay $10 and all your drinks are covered.
$10 gets you all you care to drink tonight at Sandbar. That was on the 5th. They posted that. Hopefully they do that more often. So we know where we're going when we go to Shreveport. No doubt.
No, but really.
Really.
That's awesome.
Oh, wow, look at this. On Wednesday nights, they call it the Double Hump Wednesday. Double your drinks. Get a double for the price of a single all night.
Love it.
One hump is one short. Double hump day. They got the camel with two humps. Dude, we got to go there.
Yeah.
Yeah. I know.
Look at all the door prizes they do.
I know.
Like LSU tickets.
Sandbar, y'all got it going on. The Sandbar in
Heck
Shreveport.
yeah.
If you're familiar with this, let us know about it. Hashtag LA On Air. Tell us your favorite thing about the Sandbar, other than the awesome drinks. Located at 415 Spring Street in Shreveport, Louisiana. And they label themselves as a nightclub, so obviously you're going to have fun. Pretty cool, man.
It's really cool.
We like that. We always like to tell you about different venues. Maybe you're out in the area, you want to check it out. The Sandbar Shreveport on your Facebook page. Make sure you check them out. Walk-ins are welcome. Casual attire. Lots of drinks. We saw that part. Monday through Friday, 4:30 to 6. Saturday and Sunday, 7 to 6. I like that. And Lana's thirsty. All right, here it is. More music for you right here on LA On Air. It's the Dubonauts representing Shreveport, North Louisiana. What's up? With one of my favorites, Space and Time, right here on LA On Air.
path I choose to go. You need to open up your mind, invite your body and soul. You need to open up your eyes, but let your inhibitions go. Your inhibitions free from your body, everybody, yeah. But do you know what it means to be free, my baby? My baby, life's too short to jeopardize that happiness that gets you by. You feel your bending space and time when fighting for what you think's right. Is it right? Everyone loses sight and mind. Yeah, we all just let it go. They'll find what's right in the other's eyes, but it's not a path I choose to go. You need to open up your mind, but it invites your body and soul. You need to open up your eyes, but it lets your inhibitions go. Let your inhibitions free from your body, everybody, yeah. But do you know what it means to be free, my baby? My baby. Life's too short to jeopardize, but happiness that gets you by. You feel your bending space and time, but fighting for what you think's right.